In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Dropbox to File Explorer. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll see Dropbox right in the left sidebar of Windows File Explorer, making it easy to access and organize your cloud files just like any other folder on your PC. First, we'll download the Dropbox desktop app. Open your favorite web browser and go to dropbox.com install. This is the official site, which ensures you get the correct and most up-to-date installer. Click the download Dropbox button and your browser will begin downloading the setup file. Most browsers save it to your downloads folder by default, so if you don't see it at the bottom of your browser window, check that folder. The file is usually named dropboxinstaller.exe. Next, run the installer. Double-click the downloaded dropboxinstaller.exe file to start. If Windows asks whether you want to allow the app to make changes, choose yes so the installation can proceed. The installer handles everything automatically, no complex options to configure. In a moment, Dropbox will be installed and ready to set up on your computer. Once installation finishes, a sign-in window will appear. Enter your Dropbox account credentials and click to continue. If you're prompted to verify your identity, just follow the on-screen instructions. After signing in, Dropbox links your computer to your account and creates a Dropbox folder on your PC. You may notice a small Dropbox icon appear in your system tray, and you'll start to see sync indicators on files once syncing begins. That's a sign that your desktop app and cloud storage are talking to each other correctly. At this point, Windows integrates Dropbox with File Explorer automatically, so you can manage your cloud files like local files. To confirm everything is in place, open File Explorer. The quickest shortcut is Windows key plus E, or you can click the folder icon on your taskbar. Look at the left-hand sidebar and you should now see the Dropbox icon listed, often under quick access or alongside your other folders. Click it to open your Dropbox folder. Anything you add here will sync to your Dropbox account, and anything you have stored online will appear here as it finishes syncing. If you don't see the icon immediately, give it a moment for the initial setup to complete. That's all there is to it. You've downloaded the app, installed it, signed in, and confirmed that Dropbox is now part of File Explorer. Thanks for watching.